Hi everyone, my name is Avalon and you're watching a day in the life of an engineering surveyor at Woolpack. As a surveyor specialising in engineering surveys, I spend a lot of my time out in the field working on some pretty diverse projects each and every day. I enjoy the variety and challenge of the work that we do, and I'm excited to take you all along with me. Before we head out to site, we ensure we have all the gear that we need to carry out today's work. For today's jobs, we packed tripod legs, a total station, prisms, and a rail jig. Safety is a huge part of our job because of the high-risk areas that we work in. On site, we dress to impress with all the required PPE. Before we begin our work, we secure client permission for access and perform job safety and environmental analysis. This also involves working with our client to define the scope and identify any potential risks. Then it's time to isolate the machinery and equipment that we're working on. We place the red safety locks onto the designated lockboard to prohibit its operation during our survey. Now we can kick off our first job of the day, a ladle survey. Carrying molten iron, ladles require periodic monitoring to determine wear of the brick lining. We first survey the new brick refractory inner lining and then compare the data over time so that we can avoid melt and damage to the outer shell. Up next, it was off to another location on site, surveying the crane rail alignment and height for replacement. To guarantee the new rail will be positioned exactly, we must determine the offset marks. It is our job to ensure the span of these marks is precise so that the construction team can align and install the new rail. Once the capture was complete, it's back to the office, unloading the gear and processing the data that we've collected throughout the day. Not only do we capture the data, but it's our job to transform this into actionable insights to enable informed decision making for our clients, including those in government, resources, energy transition, utilities and infrastructure. Working at Woolpack, I get to use a variety of industry-leading technology while working with a great team of supportive people, sharing a wealth of knowledge and creating a fun and positive learning environment. It's great to be part of the Woolpack and be at the forefront of surveying and geospatial innovation. Thanks for watching a day in the life of a Woolpack surveyor.